I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You will go here to see in this page. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you see about Prequel and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end here you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.